Hi, welcome back to SamyraKnots. I hope you're having a cozy and creative day. Today we are making this super cute crochet mimosa buds which are perfect for bouquets. So let's start. For this project I'm using milk cotton yarn in yellow and green with a 3.5 mm crochet hook. We also need wires of two different sizes which I will show you exactly where and how to use them later in the video, so keep watching till the end. Let's start with a magic ring and chain 2. Now make an unfinished double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through once. That's one unfinished double crochet. Repeat the same process until you have 5 unfinished double crochets inside the magic ring. This is the 5th unfinished double crochet. So once all 5 are done, you yarn over and pull through all the loops together, then chain 1 to secure. Pull the yarn tail tightly to close the magic ring. Now chain 2 and make 5 unfinished double crochets in the loop like this. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through once. So that's one unfinished double crochet and you have to make 5 of them in total. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel. This is the last unfinished DC. Now follow along. Once all of them are completed, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Then fold the first half gently like this and pull the yarn through the center of the magic ring to create that fluffy little bud. Finish off with a chain and fasten the ends neatly. Your bud should look like this. Make more of them. I have taken a total of 8 flower buds in the same color. Take a 0.5 mm floral wire around 8 centimeters long and insert it through the bottom of the bud. Bend the wire slightly so that the bud stays secure in place like this. Wrap green yarn around the wire and use a little glue to secure the yarn if needed. And wrap all the buds in the similar way. Now I'm using a thicker 1 mm wire for better support. Place a bud on the stem and wrap it using green yarn. Attach more buds along the way. You can shape the branch as you like. These crochet mimosa buds are perfect as bouquet fillers, and if you combine 4 or 5 bunches, you can create a dreamy mimosa bouquet that looks absolutely stunning. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to SamyraKnots. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.